What I've done with my kids in the past in the high school is I've said to them, hey, you want to check to see if you're missing an assignment? No, I got everything. Oh, okay. Listen, you know what? If I find anything, I'll let you know. And then I go over to my desk and I check whatever might be on Google Classroom or Power School, whatever. And I go over the sticky note and I say, hey, listen, just wanted to give you this. Don't let yourself down. I've been using that lately. Like, hey, don't let yourself down. Don't shortchange yourself. I'll think of any type of script I can use that puts it back on them. I've got to change the narrative that they're doing it for me versus they're doing it for them. I want them to start to internalize that, like, oh man, I let myself down. And so then when they come back the next day or a week later and I say, hey, I didn't get a copy of that email. Did you CC me the email that you sent to your drama teacher? And they go, man, don't let yourself down. You get another chance to do it. And that's it. And then I back off. I put it back on them. Let them know that they can do this and they're capable of doing it. But I think when we get into this, come on, how about you try this? Or how about you do this? Or maybe you should do this. I just tell them, send an email, CC me, and I'll look for that in the next couple of days. And then when I see the kid 2 days later and I didn't get the email, I go, oh man, don't let yourself down. Send that email out. And then I back off. If you could just maybe shift in that direction a little bit and put it back on them, I found that to be helpful with my older kids.